Hi everybody! I told you I was going to do it. I'm going to make some zucchini dip, hummus if you will. I know, it's not actually hummus, but it's really good. I already tried it. That's why I have a zucchini already prepared and diced up. It's just a raw zucchini. I didn't cook it or nothing. And it says to do a cup. This is about a cup or so. And it goes in my little blender cup. See? About 8 ounces. And then tahini. And when you find this in the store, good luck. Because even if I'm staring right at it, I still miss it.
It looks like peanut butter.
It does. But it's made out of sesame seeds.
I know. It says right in big white letters, ground sesame seed paste.
I can't read that. I'm getting blind.
I can read it.
So, about a cup of zucchini. Peeled if you want it. You don't have to peel it according to one lady's directions. But then it turns green and I don't want a green dip, I guess. I don't know. And I would think that the peels would make it a little more not smooth. I don't know what the word is for that.
Chunky?
Sure. But I don't know if, not necessarily chunky. Like, I would feel like it'd have little bits.
Grainy?
Maybe. But a third cup of tahini. And this one's quite runny. The lady does specifically say runny tahini. I'm going to do a little bit under because I think my zucchini is a little tiny bit under for measurements. And yeah, I'm using them was one of Emma's little spatulas.
Got them fairly cheap.
Yeah, 62 cents I think we paid for a set of 4 of them.
Yeah, should have gone back and gotten more. They were freaking sweet.
And if you need something real quick to dip a carrot in or even more zucchini or cucumbers or whatever, this is going to be great. And then it said a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm not going with a tablespoon. I'm going with just a little capful. And then mine and Emma's favorite, onion butter. Yum! Because I want this to be onion buttery dip, hummus, whatever you want to call it. And you just stick that in there too. And probably going with about a teaspoon, maybe a little over. Because I did make this once already. And I didn't think it quite had enough onion butter flavor. It was great, but not quite enough for me. You have the trusty little Ninja IQ. If you see one of these at a yard sale for cheap, pick one up. Because I'm telling you what, the Ninja IQ is a great little machine. Get everything down. And yep, this is going to take a second, but it eventually will go. Or at least it did on my last one, so. But it's going to get loud in here too. See if it's all zhuzhed up in there. Looks pretty smooth. I'll show you guys in just a second. I know, I'm making a mess. Blender things are always a mess for me. And yes, we want as much as we can get out of here. And then take and scrape down the sides of your blender or blender cup or whatever you're using to make this all smooth and creamy. Then give it a little mix. Make sure to get all that good flavor off the sides. And then look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Emma's so going, no.
No.
And seeing how I did make this earlier, I kind of know how much spice to put in, so. But taste test it before you take it out of the blender if you want, so you can adjust more or less. Clean up that spot real quick. I have some tortilla chips right handy with a hint of lime. Lime and lemon go well together. Look at this, it's fluffy. I like it. It's so creamy. Zucchini, I thought it would have chunks in it or something when I was doing it raw, but it doesn't. Oh, I wish Emma would try this, but she will not.
Disgusting.
Nobody else plans to try it either except for Mom. I'm going to have her try it.
Could you believe she tore me away from my movie for zucchini?
If you got fresh zucchinis coming out of your gardens already,
Nasty.
do this.
So nasty.
Tahini is, I think, about $5 for this jar. Onion butter is about $5.
Onion butter's good.
But, of course, you don't need to do the whole thing. I paid $2 for this. Zucchini I got from the food pantry. And I paid like $4 for the
Tortilla chips?
tortilla chips. Yep. Thank you, Em. But, try this. Look at how fluffy it is.
Don't try it.
Do try it. This is so good.
Don't try it.
Relatively healthy.
Put the zucchinis away, throw them in the garbage.
Amanda, my sister, I'm calling you out. This stuff's good.
Don't try it.
You're going to have zucchini in your garden soon. You need to do this. And much quicker, and I think much smoother than an actual, quote, hummus. But I love it. You're going to love it too if you like zucchini and whatever spices. It more takes on the flavor of whatever spice you use. So, whatever you use, love it. Alright, that's my video for today so far. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a great, wonderful, super fantastic day. Like, subscribe, share, watch a few more videos. And we'll see you on the next one.